Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about Git with multiple remote repository. If you use Git at work, sooner or later you will use things like origin, upstream, or even more remote name. This was very confusing for me at the beginning. I don't know what is origin, what is upstream, what is code commit. I didn't really understand what to push, what to pull, and where my code should go. So in this video, I just want to show you how I actually use Git in real projects. I'm Carrie, I'm an engineer, and this is how I manage Git in real projects. So let's start. First, we use git remote -vv. So here, this is the code commit. This is the origin. We just need to know it just a name. If we use git push code commit is equal to push to this link, okay? And if we use git push origin, it's just sync like this link. Okay, so and we also try git branch. Then we can know what local branch we have. We use git branch. We have man, okay? And we use git branch -r. And here is our remote branch. Okay, so we use git branch -vv. And here is my default branch. Our default branch is man. Okay, so if we use git push, is equal to git push origin man, because our default branch is this one. Okay, so we have git push origin man to man. What does it mean of man to man? That is equal, you push your local man to the remote man, because we can say here is our remote. For our remote, we have our origin man. Okay, for our local, we just have man. We can also git push origin to man, and okay, let me try another simple. We can git push code commit and develop. Yeah, and we can also use git push code commit carry demo. So this is this one. Oh, sorry, I make a mistake. I should push like this: git push and the code commit. Yeah, this is the name, and the name is will bind to a link, and we can select here code commit equal to this link, and here is the name. This will bind to a link, and we use git push code commit, and here for our main local branch, we will push to the code commit develop. Okay, this can be used, and we can also use git push code commit man to carry demo. Yeah, so this is what I need to show. That is how you can manage your remote branch. First of all, you can use, and let me explain it again. We use git remote. So just clean this git remote -vv. Okay, so we can now our remote. We have code commit is equal to this link, and the code commit push and fetch is the same, and we can use origin is same to this link. Okay, and then we can use git branch to load the local branch, and then git branch -r is a remote link, and then we can use git branch -vv, and the man is our default branch to push. If we use git push, okay, is equal to git push origin man. Okay, and for if we want to push our local man to different repository, we can use git push. Okay, such as I need to push this repository at my own repository, I can use git push origin, and this origin is equal to my own GitHub project, and here's main to main. Okay, and if I want to push to company, git push the code commit, and this code commit equal to this link, and this is my company's website. Okay, and then main to, I can push to carry demo, and if I write a feature, am I write like such as carry demo, or such as combined, and if I think it can be used, I will push to develop, or such as main. Okay, and I hope you can love this video. Thank you very much for watching this, and it's my very little video, and I think I hope you can give me some suggestions so I can make this video more useful for you. Thank you very much again.